Hey guys, Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got another fun one for you. Today we've got a volume of worker work. That's right, we are here at the GPU mining farm. Our worker work series is the day-to-day life of a GPU mining farmer. So, in our previous volume of worker works, and if you haven't caught up with our volume of worker works and you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. That way you keep up with all our latest and greatest shenanigans. But in our last volume of worker work, you know, we were doing some changing. Well, you can see this space over here was empty. We've been moving everything around. We moved a lot of those workers over there. Well, we started to evacuate these workers, I guess so to say. So the team's been very, very busy today. As always, huge shout out to you guys, the community, for having us in your home. Huge shout out to the team out here at the mining farm. You guys are rocking it. We've been working on networking today. Lots of crazy things. And you know, as I'm moving these, of course, I'm screwing up risers and such. Well, appreciate the team for all your help that you guys have been doing. A busy day of networking. Just a lot of fun stuff that we've been doing here. But we are using HIVEOS. We had been using HIVEOS. Anybody from HIVEOS, I'd love for you to reach out and talk to us. I'd love to talk about our story and the switch over and all the benefits that we've noticed. But we are also using Team Red Miner. One of the things we like about Team Red Miner is it's reporting how easy or it's slow powered draw up when it's kicking into overclocks and such. Also how great it is for our AMD GPUs. So if you are a dev for Team Red Miner, I'd love to chat with you guys as well. You're having a lot of fun out here at the GPU mining farm. Huge shout out to guys at DCA Adventures. I also got our Hungry AF for Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum shirt on for Seth Estrada. What's up, Seth? But yeah, thank you guys to you guys of the community for having us in your home. A lot of new subscribers. Make sure you check out the links down below. We got our Twitter account. You can follow us on Twitter. You can also follow us over on Discord. Lots of shenanigans going on over there. So one of the things that you're going to see here as we're moving forward is this is temporary. I know in some of our other videos you guys have said rat's nest, rat's nest. Well, this is temporary. What we've been doing is we've been moving the 7 and 8 GPU workers from these sections over here, as you can see, in preparation for our 13 GPU workers, the rows like this over here. So that's what we've been doing. Been doing a lot of temporary networking, as you can see here. But as we get done with these rows, we're going to start to wrap things up and make things more tidy over here. So we've been working really hard. Team's had a great day, a lot of great things going on. Thank you guys to the team for everything that you can do. As you can see, this section back here, as we get this all filled with those 7 and 8 GPU workers, we'll be able to start getting our 13 GPU workers out of here, and then we'll do it again. We'll get this row all nice and set, just like this one, nice and straight, and we'll fill it in with those 7 and 8 GPU workers. So, like I said, huge thank you to the team for everything that you've been doing today. Keep an eye out. We got a lot of fun videos as far as building a GPU mining rig. We're really gonna break that down here. Let's take you guys into the war room real quick. You're gonna see a couple of the guys you hear me say a lot of fun things about. These guys are great. They're in here on the grind. Been working on, like I said, the networking stuff. Big day of that, as well as working on getting risers and everything going. So we've been very busy out here today, but in this volume of worker work, just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick heads up. And when we say networking, holy cow, this guy right here, man, he's a networking guru. This guy right here has been tearing it up on the GPUs as far as getting those risers and situations going. But when we say networking, you guys can see definitely got some networking going on. So wrapping things up, if you guys like these videos, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, let us know what you think. The reason I want you guys to do that is so other people can see these videos. If you're new into mining, make sure you check out Discord. Gosh, golly, Make sure you're checking out that Doge Lord Apparel as well. We got some really fun stuff there. But as you can see, it was a busy day. We got rows 13 and 12 moved. The next section that we've got is row 11 and 10. And when we say moved, we're gonna head over here and show you the switches that we had. We emptied this row out. Got to do it again tomorrow. So, thank you guys for having us in your home. This has been another episode of Worker Work. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. Thanks, guys.